Everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to hide like stories on Snapchat. So to do that, let's head over to our Snapchat application first. Once you are there, make sure that you have logged in into your desired account and then head over to your profile by tapping the profile icon on the top left corner. And here you will find the option of story. So to do that, you have to just post in your private story. Otherwise, you can't just hide your Snapchat stories and their likes too, because all of your friends or your public friends, if you have a public profile, will just like your story. So there's some steps you can follow. Let me show you. So the first thing is press and hold on the story title and tap hide this content. And not all content can be hidden, and you can't disable discover completely. And open the Snapchat app and go to your friends list and press and hold on the friend or profile whose stories you want to hide. Tap hide story suggestion, and to unhide you will need to find the story again and tap unsubscribe if you want to see it again. And if you want to mute a friend's story, swipe right from the camera screen to go to the chat screen. Press and hold on the friend's name and tap story settings and toggle to the mute story to keep their story from appearing at the top of your story view. So it's that's all we needed to share with you to hide your Snapchat stories likes. Hope this video helped you out, and we'll see you in the next video.